Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm behind the gazebo and I am going to be adding some plants just to add some different texture and colors, because let me show you what I have going on right now. Imagine the plants that aren't in cans. So I have these, I forget what these are called. They're heuchera, I think wild rose. But I have them lining the outside of this. Now they look kind of small because they're growing back from the winter. Then on each side, this is a very symmetrical setup here. I have rose topiaries, I have Amsonia storm clouds, and then right here I have some white cone flowers. There is a bush clematis there which will be moving. So it's a lot of green. So what I did was I brought in some of these cherry truffles heucheras. They are sun to shade, pretty short, 8 to 10 inches, 26-inch wide, so they will probably connect by the time they're fully grown. And then I got a couple hostas, because I should explain, this bed kind of gets morning sun and then the rest of it is pretty shaded. So I have some wee hostas. These get 11 to 18 inches wide, or these get 11 to 18 inches tall, but they get anywhere between 28 and 30 inches wide. So I think they'll just kind of fill in this area right here. They might swallow up some of this coneflower, but I don't think that'll be a problem. And then back here, I have a Bobo hydrangea. I'll have to flash a picture up about this. This is a smaller hydrangea. It gets about 3 to 4 foot tall, and it gets about 3 to 5 foot wide. So it's a little bit wider than it is tall, and it can handle part shade. So I think it will do well here. Now I will be moving this bird bath a little bit. I'm going to be moving that bush clematis so I can push this bird bath up a little bit. But I thought it would be nice to have kind of like some structure back here, some flowers, a couple hostas, and then just have the red. Now I've been playing around with these red heucheras and they've been in many places here, but I finally decided to keep the ends right here open just for something else, just in case I find that later. Actually, if I like this enough, I may go get more of the cherry truffles heucheras. So all I'm going to be doing is putting some biotone in the holes and planting these. All right, let's get this started. Okay guys, it is all done and all watered in, and I love it. I mean, look at the sun going through those heucheras. Isn't that beautiful? Now they're a little floppy because, well, they were a little dry. But I cannot wait to see this area fill in. Now, I know that a few things are spaced kind of close together, but I think they'll be okay because I kind of want this to be pretty full. I ended up moving the heuchera that was like right there. I ended up moving it over and putting the two on each side. So I think I'll find like a short annual or something to plant in here. And then I know this hydrangea is very close to the bird bath. Well, I don't think it's staying here forever. So I think what I'm going to do is just let it do its thing this year And then see how the back of it's kind of flat? I'm gonna try to keep it kind of trimmed up on the side there. But this one gets wider than it does tall, so I think that's gonna be nice in there. And then at some point I'll probably have to move these coneflowers, which is okay, because I don't think they're getting enough sun anyway. All right, so I ended up adding some Japanese forest grass right here, just to fill in this space. So I think now it is officially finished. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.